Hi, welcome to the presentation of Bad Bridge by Team Bad IBC. This project is about moving bad kids from Stargaze to other HackWasm based blockchains like Neutron. We do it without the need of ICS 721. We use interchain accounts and interchain queries. So that allows us to get around the need of every chain to upgrade with the 721 IBC module. So in the spirit of bad kids, we would like to tell you that you cannot tell us what we can or can't do. And we're going to begin the demo by clicking Be Bad. So our bad bridge, you can't tell us where we can or can't be. Here I have my Bad Billy wallet connected using Cosmology, shout out Dan. And here is my list of bad kids. So I'm going to take this bad kid. And I'm going to begin by clicking Find Freedom. This is going to transfer a bad kid to another dimension. So I click Find Freedom. I get a pop-up, and this is talking to the Stargaze chain. What I'm doing is I'm transferring my token ID 22, and I'm sending it to an address that is controlled by the Neutron chain's smart contract. This is an interchain account. So once I send it to that account, hey, then Neutron chain, which is aka another dimension, will be able to check whether or not I really sent it to their account. So that's what the step 2 is. Find Freedom step 2. I have to let that new dimension know about it. So I click here, and now I start a transaction to the Neutron chain. So this includes a 1 Neutron deposit, because this is going to pay for the Neutron chain to run a interchain query relayer. And what that's basically saying is from this height onwards, start pulling over state from Stargaze relevant to this address and this token ID. So that's the address that I have when I sent my token ID from my previous account. So I approve that. And that will kick off an interchain query relayer who's going to start pulling information over for me. So it's ready. Now if I click it really quickly, I'm going to get an error. It says still waiting for new dimension to realize what's going on. And it's because that interchain query relayer hasn't pulled over the latest information from Stargaze. So I need to wait another second here before I ask it to confirm that I really did send my bad kid to that interchain account. Once it's been able to confirm that, it's going to mint me a new token on Neutron. This is the exact same mechanism that happens with IBC token transfers. You're essentially locking a token up in an escrow account on one chain. IBC confirms it's been locked and then mints a voucher token on the other side. So let's try it again. Finally, Freedom. This time it works. It has that information. It sees that this is a valid transaction, proving that I have deposited my bad kid into the escrow account on the Stargaze side. So once that's finished, I should get a little celebration, and now I can go to the Block Explorer to prove that I have this bad kid in my wallet. So if we go to Assets, it'll say there's 2. One of them is unsupported because they don't recognize it, and here you can see it's from the factory, and it's bad kid number 22. Now, say we wanted to be good kids and send it back. I can refresh here, see there's no longer a bad kid on my Stargaze. So first off, let's just take a second to applaud that. Hey. Now, cherry on top, we're going to be good. We're going to see that we have this bad kid now on the Neutron chain. So that's what he is. And if I just click him once, I am going to burn him on the Neutron side. The Neutron smart contract is going to notice that. It's going to execute an interchain account transaction on the interchain account that's on Stargaze, the one that's holding my real bad kid, and it will release my bad kid and move it back to my wallet. So I just click here. Here we are connected to Neutron, telling it to unlock token ID 22, and we gave it my star's address as the destination. We approve it. Transaction successful. So if I refresh here, query, somehow my wallet got disconnected. Here we go. See, it's gone here now. So I go back to Be Bad, and I refresh my list over here, and now he's back. He's back on Stargaze round trip. What a bad bridge.